All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We are going to be looking at ILV/USDT. That is the Illuvium coin pair. Okay, this one is very interesting. Okay, I'm not sure all the platforms it's available to trade on, but it is available to trade on KuCoin, so you can use that. Right now, we're looking at the 1 hour chart on the the 1 hour chart. Okay, so with that being said, we have a very clear head and shoulders pattern setting up. Okay, so this pattern has not fully formed, okay, but it's very clear. Like, here's the left shoulder, here's the head, and we need the right shoulder to form and then a drop below. Okay, now however, this thing has been very bullish, so this bullish momentum could keep up. But if you start to see some of this, some of the hype die away from the metaverse, okay, because anything metaverse related has just shot up tremendously in the past month. Okay, had an amazing November. Now, it's always good to look at the charts, analyze them, do that before you hop into a play just because you hear of a coin. Okay, especially if you're trading and you're not buying long term and holding. Okay, if you're looking to buy and hold long term, then it doesn't matter. You don't have to pay attention to the chart so much. You just buy at a price that you feel comfortable at. Okay, so this could be a possible good short. Okay, if you do see this pattern start to play out, all right. But the main thing for me is, this chart's been super bullish. Okay, we'll go out here to the daily chart real quick so you guys can see a little bit better. All right, and huge run up. Okay, we basically have our bull flag here. All right, and then here's our flag. All right, here we broke that trend line. Okay, as you can see here, we broke this trend line, shot up, and we've gone up. Okay, the projected move for this bull flag is going to take us up here. Okay, so let's go back down to the 1 hour chart so you can see a little bit clearer. Okay, so projected move for the bull flag is going to take us up here. So if you're bullish, I would look to take profit around here. Okay, but even with that being said, okay, this right here on the fib, the 1 is going to be my breakout level. Okay, so we can get above the 1 on the fib. All right, then this is going to be my take profit zone, which is also right by the bullish price target for the or the projected move for the bull flag. Okay, so this thing does seem to be having a head and shoulders. Okay, you can keep an eye out on that if you want to get into some puts. All right, or into short positions. Okay, sorry, not puts. If you want to get into some short positions, keep an eye out on the head and shoulders. Okay, and if you want to get into some long positions, okay, first we need to break up above here, this 1644.438. And then once we get above the 1719, we're gonna have our breakout level. Okay, and then I would take profits here. And if you don't, you can sell half of what your position here and try to catch momentum to ride up to these bullish price targets. Okay, but me personally, if I got into some long positions on this, I would ride the break and then I would sell here. Okay, that's how I would trade it. All right. Illuvium. Okay, let's dive into it real quick a little bit. Illuvium is an open world RPG adventure game that's built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. So, it basically creates like little small like creatures. Okay, they call them alluvials, which like players can collect and discover and things like that. Okay, so it's another metaverse game. Metaverse is really popular. It has everyone's attention. So that's why all of these metaverse coins, you see these big run-ups, okay? These huge run-ups. All right, let's go back to the daily chart and let's look here on the daily. Jesus. I mean, just look at this. This is insane. I'll go ahead and show you guys the price, how much it moves since it opened. All right, since they started trading it on KuCoin, it was at 385, okay? And it's up over 400% since then in about 3 months. Okay, so really big moves. All right, it would make sense for this thing to fall back, to take a breather. Okay, because breathers are healthy. Everything needs to take a breather after running up big. Okay, it's normal. So if we do see this thing pull back, it's already had a nice pullback. Okay, so that's why I'm saying we could continue bullishness. All right, we're holding this level on the fib pretty good. But you know, just be cautious of the inverse head or the head and shoulders on the 1 hour chart, okay? Because the 1 hour chart is going to affect the ticker that you're looking at, the coin, stock, whatever it is you're looking at. It's going to affect it in a different level than a daily chart pattern would, okay? Like the daily chart bull flag is a stronger pattern, okay, with more time behind it, all right? The 1 hour head and shoulders is just basically like can be a you know, you might see this thing drop on a 1 hour chart, okay, but on the daily it may not look too bad, okay? So you know, we could see this thing drop all the way down here, down to 1,000 area, somewhere around there. We could see that, and you know, that could be a good buying opportunity to go long, okay? Once you know, you see it run up, you didn't FOMO into it, you wait till it comes back down, find strong support, and you get in, okay? So thank you guys for watching today's video. Let me know if there's any other crypto pairs you want me to look at, any crypto coins, any metaverse coins. I'm really loving all the metaverse related stuff. So you know, just jump right into that. Let me know in the comment section down below what you want me to look at. If you got a strategy tutorial you want me to make, okay, I'll be happy to do that. And you guys can join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. Okay, that's where you gain access to all of my call outs, all of the other admin member call outs. You know, there's a lot of great people in there, and all the admin traders are wonderful. They're professionals, got you know, years of experience behind them, and full-time traders. Okay, so if you want to join a like-minded community where you gain access to our entries and exits on crypto plays, stock plays, option plays, go ahead and join the Discord. The link will be in the description below, and you can use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, and get yourself a discount on the membership. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please.